So ito na, ISO speed of Bana tribe. Philippines! Mabuhay! Hep hep! Hooray! Wow. Are the sizes of plate same for every woman?
No.
Some bigger.
Some bigger.
What does it mean when it's bigger?
More
There's
attractive.
a big dairy.
Yeah. She gets more bright perch.
What?
She get more cattle.
Ah, okay, wow.
Expensive.
Can I touch?
Yeah.
It's so wow.
This they cut with the sharp
Is,
thing.
does
with
it
the
mean
knife.
something? Like,
This some they write their
Name?
name. Yeah.
ah. Bago magsimula ang araw, kailangan hugas muna ng kamay after kumain. Hi be, good morning. It's me Francis Candy and welcome back to my channel. And syempre be, kung bago kayo sa channel, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like, share at mag-subscribe. Then nag-upload ako ng videos almost every day. And dito pa rin tayo ngayon be sa Ethiopia. And we are on our day 3 of our tour here in Omo Valley. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung day 1 and day 2 ng videos natin dito, you can check it on my channel. And you can also follow me on my social media accounts at Francis Candy. So, for today, andito tayo, mabiyahin na naman tayo for another tribe na bibisitahin natin, ang Mursi tribe. Sila yung tribe na super iconic talaga, no? Sila yung tribe na actually ang daming tribe to iconic, pero isa sila para sa akin sa pinaka-iconic dito. Kilala sila sa kanilang lip plate, yung meron silang hikaw sa labi at saka sa tenga, pero mamaya i-explore natin yan. And syempre kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, leave a comment, like this video, it helps me. And para mas marami pa tayong ma-reach na tao at marami pa tayong mapuntahan, please share my videos. So, we're on our way na doon. Hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal yung biyahe natin. Maybe 1 to 2 hours. Gano'n naman kadalasan. And we will end this trip sa pagbabalik natin sa Arba Beach. And kung bago kayo sa aking channel, like what I said before on my videos, this is a very special vlog kasi itong trip na to be, hindi naman to napupuntahan ng maraming tao. Wala sila ditong mass tourism, sadyain talaga siya, and super secluded ng lugar. Ayun, kita niyo yung mga tao sa gilid kanina. Andito yung mga dito sa area na to nakatira yung mga tribe. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung lawak ng lupain na yan. Ayan ang lupang pag-aari nila. Ayan oh. May mga alaga sila ditong baka. And just imagine, gaano kasosyal yun, no? Yung parang, iwan naman lang yung baka dyan sa lupa natin. Tapos ang lawak ng lupa. Pero hindi nila basta iniiwan ng ganun. Kasi uso rin dito yung nakawan ng baka ng iba't ibang tribe. Pero more on that later. Pag nakarating na tayo doon sa tribe nila, we'll explore and we'll really witness how they live their village life every day. Sa araw na ito be, pinagdiriwang din dito be sa Ethiopia ang araw ng Timket. Ito yung version nila ng Epiphany o yung pagbautismo o pagbinyag kay Jesus sa ilog ng Jordan. So sa araw na ito, nagpoprosesyon ang mga simbahan, dala-dala yung Ark of the Covenant o yung kaban ng tipan na naglalaman ng 10 utos. Tapos masaya ito pinagdiriwang ng mga tao ng may sayawan, kantahan, at syempre mayroong panalangin. Pero ang kinaibahan nito dun sa Ghana na unang pinuntahan ko dito, yun is more solemn at more sacred. Ito naman ay more festive. Karamihan sa mga Ethiopians, ito yung araw na pinakahihintay nila. Ito yung araw kung saan sinusuot nila yung mga pinakamaganda nilang damit. At be, ito rin yung araw kung saan pwede rin silang makakilala ng pwede nilang makapareha. Oo be, ito yung araw din ng kumbaga dating nila. Kumbaga pagdating sa mga prosesyon at sayawan nila dito, nagdadala sila dito ng mga lemon. Tapos pag binato ng lalaki yung babae ng lemon, ibig sabihin gusto niya yun. At pag sinalo ng babae, ibig sabihin gusto niya rin yung lalaki. Pero maiba tayo. Dito sa Omo Valley, ito naman yung araw kung saan yung ilang mga tribes ay kino-convert mula sa pagiging animist para maging Christian Orthodox. So ito guys, papasok na tayo ngayon sa isang tribe ng Morsi. Morsi tribe o yung kilala sila sa kanilang lip plate body ornaments.
Like less than 10,000 tribe in Omo Valley, Mursi tribe. Yeah. Now we are going to see one family together, all family that is staying during day, how they living their life. We can see their also women, Mursi women, they put a lip plate.
Is it for women only?
Only women.
Women.
Women. That's women only. Marriage woman. They put a lip plate there. Yeah. The lip plates also, you know, that sign of marriage woman. You know.
A sign of what?
Marriage woman.
Married woman.
Yeah. Like ring. When you marry, when you took your wife, she must cut.
Oh,
her
her lips.
Yeah. Also, girl, ear.
Ear.
Yeah.
What is your name?
My name is Tamasgan.
Tamasgan.
Yeah.
Tamasgan.
Here you can see their
The
body.
scar.
This is the tattoo.
Oh wow.
This tattoo like to attract men, boy. Boy they do to attract a man,
The women.
girl, women. Girl also attract boy. They cut. Charlie.
Actually.
Hello. Here, you can touch
Actually,
clarification
actually.
also touch, no problem. Show for the people.
Ayun guys, so bali kiloid na siya.
Make more explanation,
Wow.
you can explain, okay? No problem.
Wow.
This they cut with the sharp thing.
Does
with
it
the
mean
knife.
something? Like,
This the some they write their
Name?
name.
Ah.
Yeah, the
Okay.
name and like you know some nice
herbs.
nice
This,
drawing, you know?
ah.
Yeah, so he is it like showing like a warrior sign.
Did they just cut it with razor or blade? The blade?
With the razor?
Or they burn it?
No, just with the razor, cut with the razor, you know? So
Ah.
it takes many days to heal.
How young when they start putting?
They start after like 16, 17.
Okay.
Yeah, not like babies when they grown up. When they are a man, they start to do it, you know? So like not like with the machine. No machine, with the razor. With the razor they cut. You know? So it takes like many days to heal. Takes like a month, 2 months to heal. So they put like no any like anti-infection, you know? They use like soil, like anti-infection.
Soil?
Yeah, just put soil anti-infection.
Wow.
No anti-infection. They don't use any things from the pharmacy anti-infection. After they cut it, they do put soil as disinfection, you know. So they don't use disinfection. So you can see many body scarification.
Oh, nice.
Different. Yeah, come here. Yeah, man. You watch together each other. Between you, Andre.
Hi. Actually. Huh?
Good.
Ah, good. Actually. Actually gure.
Hello, how are you?
Good. Actually gure.
Actually, good.
Actually gure.
Yes, actually.
So, ito naman be. Dito naman tayo sa mga babae nila. Yung mga babae naman nila dito is yung may mga plate. Wow.
Очень нас габива.
Oh, actually gure.
Hale.
Wow. Oh, wow. So guys, andito tayo kasama natin yung mga babae sa kanila. Papakita niya guys yung kanyang labi. Ito yung labi niya dahil siya ay nanay na. And sa kanila, it's a way of showing pag naging misis ka na, you have to cut your lips to put the blade. Wow. Are the sizes of plate same for every woman?
No.
Some bigger.
Some bigger.
What does it mean when it's bigger?
More attractive.
Big dairy.
Yeah. She gets more bright perich.
What?
She gets more cotton.
Ah, okay. Wow.
Expensive.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see.
Expensive.
And also, here and here.
Yeah, both. And this one from Pumba, from Warthog, from Pumba.
Ahap.
Telescope.
This one,
Yeah.
Pumba. This is like the boar.
Yeah.
And this is like a single woman, not married yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
The single woman also, the ears.
Actually.
She's a young.
Okay. Actually, gore. Actually, gore. Actually. Yeah. So, they are all single.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Ah?
Some married.
New generation.
But she doesn't have
New
the
generation.
new generation.
No problem. Sometimes they marry,
They do.
but they don't this because the mother maybe die. Her mother cut.
Ah, okay.
If her mother die,
Aha.
she don't do.
So, who cuts this one?
Mother.
The mother.
cut for daughter.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. If her mother die,
Aha.
she don't do. She don't do.
Aha.
She don't
Don't
cut.
cut, yeah.
Ah,
She stay like the same, like the normal lips,
Ah.
you know.
And what about her headpiece?
That one decoration.
Okay, just decoration.
Yeah,
She has a very good decoration.
Yeah.
It's like her.
So together photo, video.
Okay. Actually, gore. Actually. gore. Actually. It's fake. Yeah. So ito guys, kasama ko naman ngayon yung mga babae sa tribe ng Mursi kung saan kilala naman sila sa kanilang scarification din and sa kanilang lip plate na nagiging simbolo ng kanilang pagiging misis, pero hindi naman lahat, no. Kung patay na yung nanay ng babae, hindi na siya nilalagyan ng lip plate. And the lip plate sizes comes in different meanings, like pag mas malaki, ibig sabihin mas marami silang cattle. And dahil balat yan guys, it's very stretchable. Kung gusto nyong i-prove, okay lang naman, pero we will not prove it here.
Also,
Aha.
ear. She put it on ear.
Wow. Guys, look at her ear. Can I touch?
Yeah.
It's Look at my ear. Look at my ear. Look at my earring versus her earrings.
You can't do it.
Huh?
Bigger like them.
I need more training. And for the earrings, does it also mean something? No, it's just decoration. Yeah, it's just decoration. Wow.
Wow, actually,
Actually. Goreha. Actually gore. Here? Let's have a selfie. Ah, sorry. So ito guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Ethiopia with the mother of the tribe, Mursi. Ayan ang kanyang lip plate dito. I have a question. How do they eat? Do they remove it when they eat?
Yeah, when she eats, she will remove.
Ah, okay.
When
So
she sleep, also she take it.
she wears it only on
Only when she do some work, when she work,
normal days, normal things.
normal in the day.
Ah. So sa kultura nila, be, pag yung misis, hindi niya sinuot yung kanyang lip plate, isang pambabastos yun sa asawa niya. And alam mo naman sa society nila dito na very patriarchal at nasusunod lagi ang lalaki, kailangan i-please ng babae lagi yung lalaki dito. Kaya kailangan niyang suotin, isipin mo na lang, kailangan niyang punitin yung kanyang labi just to show her respect for her husband. Can you smile? So, let's have one more picture again. This is crazy. Welcome guys to Ethiopia. Di tayo ngayon sa Africa with the mother of Mursi tribe at ang kanyang napakagandang lip plate and kanyang mga ornaments mula sa si Pumba. Kalala si Pumba ng Lion King. Ito yung nusuot na ni Mami. Comment down below kung kaya nyo rin magsuot ng ganito sa lips. Diba? How many women in their family here wears a lip plate?
Like in one, in one.
Here.
Here like more than 20.
More than 20.
Yeah, different. Now they go for some activities, you know. Different.
Some there.
Wow. So sa kanilang kultura, be, ito yung standard of beauty, like the way they put the earrings, look, and then the tattoo. How about the hairstyle of women here? Not long, just like this also.
They don't make like braids. Shave. They shave.
They shave.
Yeah. Some just only small braids.
So
They shave the woman.
in their culture,
Yeah.
is like this the beauty standard, like the more
Like-
scarification, more beautiful.
More like showing like attraction, you know,
Okay.
to attract the man.
Okay.
And also, like in the Mursi tribe, like even the woman can be a warrior, you know. They are very proud of like a warrior, you know, on the tribes. So to be like not so the other tribe to be like shown as a warrior.
Is that attractive?
And also on the way, they do in attraction way. You see in the hair.
Heart.
Yeah, they don't do like ugly scarification. You understand? The beauty scarification and also showing us they are strong. You know, they can take the resistance. You understand?
For me, it actually shows that they're very strong. So that makes them very attractive in their standard, no? Like the way they present themselves with a lot of scar. Kasi alam nyo naman, yung pagkakaroon ng maraming scar takes a lot of courage to face all the pain. And it takes years to have all of this. So ito naman, be. Okay.
نرجع ما كنا نعلم
Okay.
Okay?
Bak ato. Kat.
So now, okay. So now I am now part of Mursi tribe. Achale.
Achali.
Achale gore. Achale chale.
Achali puri.
Achale gore.
Achali puri.
Yeah.
Dengele.
Dengale.
Yeah.
Yeah, dengale. What does dengale mean?
Dengele.
What's dingale?
Mimalen.
Simalu.
Her name.
Ah, dingale. Dingale. Your name?
Bargor.
Bargor.
Yeah.
Francis. Francis.
Yeah.
Achale chale.
Achali guri.
Achale.
Dengele.
Chale. Chale chale.
Chali chali ba. No ande. Group kase ka kitale ar. No.
Okay. Wait, let's have picture.
Dengele. Dengele. Aye. Okay.
Okay, wait. Okay, let's. Kali.
Chali.
Can you take us picture?
Yeah.
Chali. Chali chali.
Ah.
Chali gori.
Chali. Agar.
I can take this. Wait.
Chali. Chali gori. Wow. So dito ba nasa 20 na mga babae yung merong lip plate and sa araw-araw na buhay nila, suot-suot nila yan. Suot-suot nila yan hanggang sa araw na mamatay sila be.
Okay.
Thank you. So their lifestyle here also is agriculture and pastoral. They also take care.
Yeah, they are mostly pastoralist. Small like
Let me see the products. So ito be, tignan natin yung mga product na meron sila dito. Meron sila dito yung mga, of course, yung mga lip plate nila and iba't ibang mga ornaments ng mga hayop na meron sila dito sa lugar nila. 800.
Yeah. With the negotiation, the price.
Ha?
With the negotiation.
It can be negotiation? Wow. So ito guys, yung kanilang sample ng babaeng merong lip plate. So syempre bibili tayo nito, 'di ba? So makikipagtawaran tayo dito be. Magkano bibili natin? So this one. Okay. Maybe this one in. Oh, this one looks nice. Tingnan nyo be, oh. It's a lip plate. This one, this one. This one is,
Yeah.
this one,
Yeah.
800. This one,
This one.
okay. Okay.
They say to help us like one.
Too much. Okay. Okay. Kay mother tayo. Kay mother. Ha? The mother. Okay, mother. Same. Okay. Okay.
One from him, one from him.
Okay. I'll take this one. And the other.
Anong mobile?
Yeah. Okay. Nakaka-pressure. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 900 plus 900, 1,800. Huh?
I will make a
Okay.
discount for you.
Okay, good.
Help you with the negotiation.
Okay, thank you so much.
This mato. Kan this mato. It's buzu ይገዛል ለዛ ነው። 600,
Aha.
1,200.
Okay.
You want more?
We can make it 3.
Maybe
How much is this?
the plate.
The plate.
You take from here.
Here, okay.
Another
Okay. Very good.
Maybe choice.
But how much is the plate?
Yeah, I will. You choose, and then I will help.
Okay. This one,
5.
500. Okay, how much now?
Total 1,700.
Okay, so nakikipagtawaran tayo dito, be, ha? So,
Okay, maybe upper. Now we go upper.
maybe to her, because
Okay.
I showed her to my video.
Okay.
Okay. I want the...
Listen to this. Okay, 600.
Okay.
This all we buy shopping here from Mursi tribe. Nice one, plate.
Thank you. I'll start putting this.
You should buy a small one.
I will cut. No, too much. That's it's really big. Okay, wait. I'll give the I'll give the money to you. Okay?
Okay.
Now, okay. Honestly, be, kung marami akong dalang pera, bibili naman talaga ako. At saka ang problema lang talaga natin, be, is yung ating luggage. Yeah. Okay. Okay, wait. Here.
I not deserve no.
Okay.
I
If I'm short with beer, can I pay you later? Can I ask for if I am short?
Yeah, to borrow.
Okay. I'll borrow, ha? Okay. I'll pay you later.
No problem.
Okay. I'm not sure with my beer. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So ito na ba, magbibili na tayo ng pambayad natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2,000. 1. Okay. Ilan pa to? Okay, meron pa tayo pambayad. It's enough. It's enough. Okay.
Okay, come.
Okay. So,
Give it to him.
okay.
3. Count 300.
Okay. Just 300?
Not
600, right?
600, yes.
So, 1.
Yeah, 3 only.
Okay. So, ang ating bayad. Thank you so much.
Memory.
From
Memories,
this
yes, souvenir.
one, this
Yes, my souvenir, my souvenir.
one. This one. Okay. This one
Thank you, thank
for
you.
her.
Okay, si Mami naman, be, bayaran natin. Another. 1, 2, 3. Mother. Okay, thank you.
يلا ما for her جاء مثلنا 500
Okay. Wow. 1, 2. Thank you. And 1, 2. Okay.
for her
Aha.
6
And last but not the least, kay Mother. Thank you.
actually
Actually, akasito mo. Actually.
very
Okay, kay Mama also, I'll buy it.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to Mother. Kasi I took picture with her. I took picture with Mother. Yes, we took photo. Ay, sorry. Yes, she's my mother.
yeah mother
Mama, say hi muna again. This is Mama. Ermi. What does Ermi mean? Oh, Ermi, Mama. Okay. Now let's look.
okay
Okay. How about this? How much is this? Is that giraffe?
yeah
How much is giraffe?
mama I saw
600.
600
3 times 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 600. Yes.
5 she say
500.
arat 4
4. 400. Final.
4 arat
Okay. With this one, 500.
yeah عندي امس متو
500. Okay, I'll get this.
وي
Okay.
hello
Thank you.
هنا
Thank you, Mama.
يكو انت انا تبالم يا بس كده
Thank you. Ha? Akala 500.
Nana.
Okay.
Nana.
Okay. Let's make it 600.
Nana.
Okay. Mama.
Nana.
Okay, thank you. It's okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Nana.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, be, honestly, kung marami lang talaga akong cash dito, at saka magiging puno na sa baggage ko. So, ayan, at least meron akong souvenir. And nagbayad naman ako na dito. May bayad naman dito pagpasok dito. Huwag kayong mag-alala. At saka, meron pa ako ibibigay dyan sa kanila paglabas ko. Collectively.
Charlie ciao ciao
At Charlie, ciao, ciao. So, ayan guys, magbababay na tayo sa tribe nila.
Kasi tomorrow.
Nakita natin yung kanilang bahay. Actually, yung bahay nila, same lang din naman sa ibang bahay ng mga ibang tribe. What makes them really different talaga is their lip plate. Okay. Hello. No more na.
No money.
It's okay, thank you. But it's okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay.
The tribe with the also come. Mursi tribe here.
Photo for pose.
You see, they are working with the spear. Mursi men. When they go fight.
Wow. I actually have something like this in my house.
You buy before.
I don't know where, from my father, he gave it to me. And then I repainted it.
Okay, okay. I got them.
Yung mga bata dito, mababait naman sila. Bigla-bigla silang mahawak sa may ko na pag-holding hands. Pinagalitan na sila, uwi na daw kayo, sabi. Sabi ko nga, ito serious, on a serious note. Siyempre, we are here to really help them. Pero, Francis lang naman ako, hindi ko kaya tulungan ng lahat, di ba? And the best help that I can do is to share their story, and hopefully some of you will be able to travel also here. And kung ako may natulungan akong 4-5, it's better than 0. So sa ibang pupunta dito, hopefully kayo din kahit 4-5, di ba, mabilhan nyo, matulungan nyo sila. Sabi nga nila, hindi mo naman kailangan tulungan ng lahat. Pero pag meron kang natulungan, isang kabawasan na yon sa mga taong naghihirap. Just to put it in a context, para masabi ko sa iyo sa video mismo. Yung buhay nila dito is sobrang simple, lalo na yung mga ganong nasa tribe. Sila yung mga nabubuhay, kadalasan without appliances. Nakita nyo naman yung mga bahay nila sa mga nakaraang videos. Sila talaga yung poorest of the poor. Sila yung most traditional, most conservative way of living dahil nabubuhay pa rin sila sa lifestyle na kinalakihan ng mga ninuno nila. And this lifestyle has been here for centuries. Diba? Ilang taong, ilang salin lahi na yung nagawa at patuloy pa rin nilang pinagpapatuloy yung uri ng pamumuhay nila. It's their way of protecting their tradition. And we are grateful for these people. Like, alam ko nahihirapan sila, but I'm grateful because they are the ones who are continuing the legacy of their identity. Sabi ko nga, in this age of information and social media, everything is convenient to have, pero sa buhay nila, it's very secluded. Good thing somehow na they're able to keep their identity, hindi sila na westernized, pero nakakalungkot lang pa din na wala sila nung basic necessities in life. Hi, how are you? So yung ibang mga bata dito, natututo sila mag-English sa mga turista. So yung ibang bata kayo na nakasalubong ko, siyempre pag bata, ano yung last word na yung tumatatak. So sa how are you, you. Sinorkat na nila you. Yung pala nun, how are you? Show nyo tayo ngayon sa isang local restaurant.
Pepsi or
Sprite. Yeah. So, inom muna tayo. Magre-refresh muna tayo, no? So, ito guys, yung mga pinamili ko, ang cute. Merong may hikaw, merong walang hikaw. Merong tawag dito, giraffe. Parang hindi nakakaupo tong isa. Merong upuan nila. And siyempre yung kanilang lip plate. Itong lip plate nila pwede itong gamitin coaster. Cheers! At pagkatapos naman be sa Mursi Tribe, pupunta naman tayo ngayon sa Bana Tribe. Ang Bana Tribe naman be is sikat sa kanilang stilt walking o ang paglalakad nila gamit ang kadang-kadang na napakatataas. At para mas maintindihan nyo ang kanilang kultura, ang Bana Tribe ay nahahawig sa kultura ng Hamar. Meron silang parehong ritual, parehong paraan ng pamumuhay, at pareho rin ang salitang kanilang ginagamit. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa tribe ng Bana kung saan kilala sila sa kanilang stilt walking or yung stick walking tribe. So, ito guys, mapakita nila paano sila tumatayo sa kanilang stick. Okay. Ready?
And let's go. Yeah, man.
Action! Look, I'm looking. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Wow! Ang galing nila guys. Kita nyo pa ba? Wow! Wow! So ngayon guys, andito na tayo sa Bana Tribe. Sila naman yung sikat na stilt walker or yung mga stick o yung stick walker tribe. Ayan sila guys, oh. Wow.
You know, I show speed.
Yeah, I saw.
With this guy.
Oh,
Yeah,
I saw in the thumbnail.
With I show speed.
I saw it in YouTube.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is I show speed.
I show speed, Timu. So ito na, I show speed of Bana Tribe. So ito guys, yung Bana Tribe nila dito, lahat sila ngayon nakatungtong sa sticks nila. And I think it's their way para makita nila yung lugar nila. Right? This is their way to see like
when
farther.
they're walking on the bush,
Aha.
they watch the cattle
Aha.
and to protect themselves from snake bites.
Also in this area, more snakes.
Yeah, most. You saw, yeah, the snakes,
Yeah.
black mamba.
Black Mamba.
On the road.
That's why you said it in Bana.
Yeah.
I heard it. Yeah. Here?
Yellow. Lip.
Alright, تفهم. أنا جاي كاميرا. أصلا بيكسروا. إيه. كذول بتكسروا. أكايبا.
Wow. Wow.
China karate. أنا إيه. China لا.
Philippine.
Philippine.
Woo! Woo! Oh,
Colombia.
oh, Colombia, viva! Viva Colombia! Viva parcero, kachimba! Philippines! Mabuhay! Mabuhay! Hep hep! Hooray!
Mahuba.
Mahuba! Philippines! What's Mahuba mean? Guys, nakikita nyo naman, sobrang professional sila. Sobrang professional.
Some Afro beats, you know, like calm down. Calm down. Yeah.
Calm down. Calm down. Baby, calm down. Calm down. Whoa. Baby, calm down. Calm down. Woo. Wow.
Calm down.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
They're so good in balancing.
Yeah.
I can even walk on my 2 feet. Let alone with stick. Nag-Inglesero tayo, be. Pero ang bongga lang ng ano nila. It's amazing. Ito ba? Ang galing nila guys, oh. Wow. Calm down.
عندي بقى ولا لا يرونا جرسا اسمع
Wow. Can you ask Lucky to bring the camera?
Yeah.
Bring the camera.
Baby, calm down.
So ayan be, andito sila ngayon sa may damuhan. So ito be, pinapakita nila yung paraan talaga nila ng paggamit ng kanilang stick, kung saan naglalakad sila dito sa mga bush na to, kasi sa area na to maraming ahas. Nung unang gabi ko dito sa area na to, nakakita kami ng black mamba. And yung black mamba be is very dangerous at poisonous na uri ng snake. Just keep up. Can I try?
Yeah. Yo.
Wait, okay, don't cover the camera.
Go there. This big one. With the big one.
Okay, which one?
This one. Yo.
Woo!
Yeah, Zulat.
Is this the other one?
No.
Huh? Ah, ang bigat. Not this one?
No?
Tuwan-tuwa sila sa camera, guys. Not this one?
No.
This here too.
Yeah, you.
This too.
The smaller one? Okay. Okay. Is it? Okay. 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 Okay.
Go.
1, 2, 3.
Is the walking?
It's guys, I made it. Hey. Oh my god.
Ah, yucky.
I'm shaking enough.
I'm shaking.
This is so hard.
This is challenge.
Wow. Can you do it as well? No. It's so hard, guys. I don't know how they do it so easily. It looks.
No.
They make it look so easy.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Woo. Brother, can you take me a picture with him?
Yeah.
Here.
Wait.
Okay, one more groupie.
Yeah.
Everybody join.
Yeah. Go with.
Okay. 1, 2. Say Bana. Bana Tribe. Welcome to Bana Tribe.
Tribe.
Okay, so one more. Welcome to Bana Tribe.
Welcome to Bana.
Stick walkers. Woo! So for this tribe,
Yeah.
their way of life is similar with others.
Yeah. They are like mostly. They are pastoralists, but they do also some agriculture.
Aha.
You know,
And what makes them special is how they keep the walking on stick.
Walking on the stick, and also they are like more so famous with with like the like hammer. The woman,
Okay.
With the hairstyles.
Is walking on stick for guys only or even for girls?
No. Like the girls, they try, but mostly the boys.
They fall.
Yeah.
They fall for the boys.
Some they like.
Aha.
I know 1 or 2 girls they can do it.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
It's okay. I can do it. Yeah.
Colombia.
Not Colombia, Philippines. Filipinas.
Filipinas.
Yeah, Filipinas. Say mabuhay.
Yes, good. Yes, I love you. I love you.
Mahal kita. Yes, mahal kita. Can you pay for now the 1,000?
Okay.
Then, I don't have enough.
No problem.
Yeah.
No problem.
And then
So
Can,
What's you?
and
يعني مثل
I'll just buy
something
from him and from this one.
possible.
Okay, then I'll just pay you, ha?
No problem.
Okay.
How much?
500.
This button.
500.
500.
Huh? Okay, 1,000. Okay. 500, 500 ah. Okay. What? 200. Okay. 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 Put in my finger. Here. I do. Okay.
Brother.
Thank you, brother. Bye-bye. No more na. No. Yay. Yeah, I enjoyed it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Elias. Thank you, Kali. Yeah. Okay. Now, the journey ends. And I'm really happy. I enjoyed it. I'm so happy I was able to witness your culture here. I was able to try and talk to a lot of people. And I'm so happy also to share this to my people also.
We are also very happy.
Yeah, we are happy, and I hope that some of my people will come and visit this beautiful place here in Omo Valley. Omo Valley. And I hope you enjoyed this series, guys, of videos here in Ethiopia. And for now, the exploration ends, but still the journey will continue. So ngayon babiyahin na kami papuntang pabalik ng Arba Minch. Maybe kakain muna kami and bibigyan ko pa sila ng kabayaran, no? Kailangan meron pa tayong patipanan dahil napakagaling ng kanilang performance sa ating pagtatrabaho dito. At least super nag-enjoy talaga ako. It's one for the books. It's something that when I grow older, I'll look back and I'll say, I did it. I was there. I made it. And on that note, I'll see you later, guys. Nag-enjoy ako. Ang ganda ng mga pictures. Follow nyo ako sa social media, ha. Tingnan nyo yung mga pictures at mga video na ginawa ko. Sulit talaga. Promise. Okay na. Sige na. Yala. Bye-bye.
Life is only a mirror, and every person that you meet. If someone makes you shiver and sweeps you off your feet, just be strong and find a way to try. When you belong, there will always be a way. You will always find how to go on.
Welcome, Team Kat!
Camera serius.
Welcome, Team Kat! Welcome! Welcome, Team Kat!
Oh, bici darim, bici أو
Ayan, nagtitinda sila ngayon, guys, ng incense.
أنا بتعمل سبين نرجع
How much incense? How much?
Bir no?
Beer.
Bir.
100. What's your name?
My name is Bamna Desan. My name is Yunus.
Are you studying?
Yes.
What grade?
Grade 9.
Grade 9.
Grade 6.
Wow, very good. Very good.
Are you fine?
Huh?
Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. 7 times 5
7.
times 5.
45.
Wrong.
No.
Wrong. I will buy if you answer correct. Okay, wrong. Correct answer? 35. Not 45.
45.
No, 45 is
Minus 7. Minus
No.
9.
9 times 5. But 5 times 7, 35. Okay, next. 3 times 9.
3.
times 9.
Yeah, this camera.
Okay, yeah.
Nice, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, this is the essence, you know.
Incense.
Essence.
3 times 9.
In the coffee. From the tree, you know, they grab it from the tree.
Oh, 3 times 9, dali.
No.
3 times 9 equals...
I don't want to go.
I will buy if he answer correct. 3 times 9 for grade 9. 3. Ha?
3.
Ha?
3.
3, what?
Gusto no? Sering ka na no?
3 times 9.
No, so si Bazate.
So si Basta niyo?
Ha?
Okay.
So, si Baza
Simbala.
sa
27.
Yeah, 27. Okay, I will buy. Okay, because of that, I will buy. There's my wallet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, here.
Oh,
Yeah.
one more.
Yeah.
10. Thank you. So this is my tour guide, Kali guys.
Yes, sir.
I want you to invite them and tell them what they're gonna experience once they go here in Omo Valley.
Yeah, when they come in Omo Valley, you will meet Kali Omo Valley.
Uh-huh. The best tour guide.
The best tour guide, you know, like a GPS here in Omo Valley, you know. So I can, I born from different tribes here, so I have a deep knowledge about the tribes, you know. And where I born, the town is different tribes where they live. So I have I know different tribal languages, so I have a deep connection. So I can show you depend on your days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days.
And I think
Even
up to 20 days, right?
20 days, you know,
Wow.
more. So even different tribes here. Now my friend, you know, he just highlights.
Yeah, the highlights. of the
Highlights.
tour. How is it touring me? How is it traveling with Francis? How is me?
Very nice. Francis is very easygoing, and he really know how to make nice video with happiness, you know.
Thank you.
He's very happy guy and make the tribes also happy. Everywhere he go, make everyone happy, you know. So we really looking forward this kind of people because we really looking for change. With the traveling, changing the world, you know.
So guys, come travel here in
Omo Valley.
Sa pagtatapos ng aking journey dito sa Omo Valley, uuwi akong excited, masaya, at fulfilled sa buhay na meron ako. Ipinakita at ipinaalala sa akin ng mga tribo dito ang isang klase ng buhay na madalas natin nakakalimutan. Kung gaano tayo kaswerte sa buhay na meron tayo ngayon. Palagi namang may nakatataas at may mas nakabababa kung ikukumpara natin ang ating mga buhay. Sa mga mata natin, maaaring mas angat tayo be. Pero sa mga mata nila, baka tayo naman ang kulang dahil wala tayong kakayahang mabuhay sa paraang alam at kinasanayan nila. Doon ko mas naintindihan na ang bawat isa sa atin ay may sariling sukatan ng masarap na buhay at tagumpay. Hindi tayo naiibabe sa kanila. Pare-pareho tayong lumalaban para mabuhay. Sadyang magkakaiba lang ang pagkakataon ng bawat laban. Marami tayong pwedeng mapulot na aral mula dito. Yung tapang nila, ang lakas na kanilang loob, at ang kumpiyansa nila sa pagharap ng bawat hamon ng buhay. Sana sa pagtatapos ng video na ito, makita mo hindi lang ang mundo nila, kundi mas makita mo rin ang halaga ng buhay na meron ka ngayon. So, thank you so much, brother Baba Elias. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Dito na tayo ngayon guys sa hotel ko. Thank you, brother.
We love you, my brother.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Alright, thank you for the tips.
Thank you.
We really appreciate the tips, okay?
Thank you. Bye-bye. Ah, yeah. Yeah, that's it.
You have the essence?
Yeah.
You put? Inside that?
It's here? Okay.
Alright. Yeah, inside.
Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you, bye-bye. Hi there! It's me, Francis Candier!
And Kate Toretto.
Samahan nyo kami dahil magta-travel kami together ni Kate Toretto sa Pakistan.
And we need joiners. No more planning and less hassle kasi kami na ang bahala sa itinerary nyo
Kami nang bahala sa'yo. We know how to navigate
and interact with the locals.
and we are here to make it fun, memorable, and smooth for you.
We designed this trip para sa mga gustong makasamang makatravel kami.
At ma-explore at ma-experience ang beauty and culture ng Pakistan. Pwedeng sumama ang group of friends, solo travelers, lovers, or partners.
Huy! Mag-message na dali at limited slots lang ang makakasama namin ni Francis Candier
Tara na! Travel with me, Francis Candier!
and Kate Toretto. Let's explore the magic of Pakistan.